Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is gonna be a week vlog, and I am at my mom's house. I came over for the week because I am on a break from work. So I brought my baby here with me for her to see her, and we are going to do a lot this week. We're gonna be a very busy bunch, but I wanted to vlog it and show you guys what we're gonna do. So if you guys see a different quality, it is also because I got my camera finally. So I'm going to be filming on my camera more often, hopefully, because I've been filming on my phone. So yeah, we are going to get straight into it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I'm posting a video. And let's get started. So I am basically waiting for my mom and my brother to come back home. They are both working, so I'm basically waiting for them so then we can go to the mall, go to Build-A-Bear, and also eat dinner there at the mall. So I can't wait because we're going to Build-A-Bear to get the baby her first Build-A-Bear, and hopefully I could get it for $1 like they say. I don't know how that junk works, but we are going to figure that out. Where do you want? Alrighty, do you want to press on the pedal?
It's good, it's very fruity. Very good. Peruvian style, it's bread pudding.
So I have not talked to you guys in a while. I went to the nail salon at 2, or a little bit earlier than 2. My appointment was at 2 for my lashes, and I did my nails also. So a little change from the last clip, but I was literally there for 3.5 hours. It's literally 5:30 now. I just left and I got there at 2, so that was the longest I've been there at the nail salon, and I always go there. So yeah, she took a while with my lashes. I think it's giving her trouble in my eyes today. This is not what I planned to do, but they didn't have, they use like stickers for the flower parts. I'm gonna show you a picture of what I wanted, but they couldn't find those flowers, so they ended up putting these, which is pretty because we found 2 that match. So luckily we found that, because then I don't know what I would have done. I probably would have just did French. Currently food shopping. Looking for sriracha. Well, I found sriracha, but I just passed it. I don't know if I should get the big bottle or the smaller bottle, but we're gonna go to Golden Apple Basket. If you ever get a chance to go to H Mart or anything, Ramblin' soda. I got it in strawberry, grape, melon. This was my favorite, the original one. So it's been very nice outside these past couple of days, so we're gonna just take a little walk with the baby. So I did not record yesterday, but today we are doing stuff, and we are going to Walgreens. I want to print out some pictures of her from throughout the whole year and then put it in her little book that I have. And then we are going to IHOP to eat. Then we're gonna go to Carter's to buy her more clothes, probably a lot of pants, because this girl is chunky. So we gotta find more pants for her, maybe a little cute outfits. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're going to walk, get some exercise in. It's supposed to be nice outside. I think it's kind of cloudy out, but it's supposed to be warm. So let's see how that goes. So yeah. The amount of stuff we just got in Carter's right now is crazy. We weren't able to do my pictures because somehow the pictures did not want to pop up. It was giving me a hard time on my computer, and so it also gave me a hard time over there in Walgreens. It was not showing up, so we'll just do that another day, or I don't know. But just finished at Carter's, and then now we're going to IHOP to eat. So waiting for my mom. She's getting 2 more things. Okay, we're in a weird angle right now, but we are back home, and I'm gonna do a little, excuse me, I'm gonna do a little rapid fire on what we got, and I'm gonna do a little rapid fire on what we got in Carter's. So first we got this backpack. She has a mini butterfly backpack from Carter's, but we decided to get this big ice cream one because I could carry this around instead of the diaper bag sometimes if I wanted to. So yeah, and then we put 2 things in here. We got Winnie the Pooh and we got Stitch. So we got both of them, the backpack. The rest are closed, so let's go quickly. Everything is 12 months, 12 to 18 months, or 2T. We're gonna see if 2T fits her, but we'll see about that. I'll let you guys know because she is a chunky baby, like I said. So we got this light blue sweater, 24 months. We got this cute little romper, 18 months. We got this cute little jean dress, so adorable. Oh, look at the little pockets on the side. So cute. Right? Cute. 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 Hello. We got a t-shirt that says Passenger Princess. Just a pink shirt with the sun. Pink shirt with ladybugs on it. Says so sweet. We got the packet of shirts. The packet. Where you know the shirts that come multiple, like 5. So we got, oh, this girl's twisting over here. She is dancing for joy. We got this one. This one. Yay! This purple one. This one. And this one. Super cute. I got these 2 pajama sets, a blue one and a pink one. And they're supposed to be like really soft. And this is good for the summer. Full rompers. This pretty white with floral. We got this. Is this a tomato, strawberry, cherry? I don't know. But this cute little romper. This one is a strawberry, pink and strawberries. Cute. This other cute blue romper with hearts on them. I bought a lot of different colors just because she's always wearing pink, so we had to get different colors. You like pink? No answer. Got, this is what I mean by packet. But I had to get black and gray things. Like I said, she's always wearing pink and stuff. So let me go put her into the neutrals category. So we got this cute one that has flowers on it. This one says love to smile. Oh, she's going crazy over here. She's getting happy. We got this floral one. Black and white stripes. And then tulip one. And that's it.
What do you do?
Oh my goodness. Yay.
Yay.
We got this blue with the shells on them. Blue romper. Got shoes for her, purple sandals. We got a whole bunch of leggings and like shorts. So this is black leggings. Oh, this one goes along with one of the sets. Oh, this is a set. So this is the 2T set. So as you can see, this is what we're having a dilemma about in Carter's. As you can see, the 2T is skinny and long, but the 12 medium looks bigger but shorter. Confused. Yes. But we just got a whole bunch of leggings. As you guys can see, leggings, pink, navy blue. We got some shorts, cute biker shorts. We got some, oh, we got more biker shorts, white and black over here. We got these shorts, blue, purple. We got some sweatpants, blue and pink. They're really light. They're not like the heavy material. And then a pair of jeans, which is in 24 months because she is chunky. We just put her into like a 12-month
18 maybe.
or 18 months jeans and did not fit her. So we got 24 months and hopefully this fits her. So that was a quick haul. Let's get on with the video. So I forgot to update you guys. It's the next day. We went to Walgreens again. I fixed the issue with the photos and I was able to print that out. So when I came back, I've been doing that, like getting her little book together. And then we also went to Carter's to return something. We went to go eat. Now I'm just organizing my room. Cause tell me how, I have all her clothes since she was born. I don't know what to do with them. Like, I feel like keeping them, and then at the same time, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let me know.
Alright, ready? 1, 2.
So, I did not update, but the baby couldn't get her earrings the other day. So I just decided to, well, she was doing her earrings at the doctor's office, but they didn't have the piercings to go. Decided to do it at the Banter and Pagoda thing at the mall. And she was crying. But I think it was more of like, scared than like it hurt. So she did good. She's all good now. I'm gonna show you her earrings. You guys want more wine? Hey, we went to Miniso. We got Stitch, little keychain things, and we already got 2 of these, and we got 4 boxes. So I'm gonna open the other 2 right now. And there's a baby crying in the background because I took the wipes from her. But also her teeth might hurt. What is the same one? I'm not gonna open it. We gotta go back. It's a pineapple one again. How? I think they're all pineapples. What if they're all pineapples?
$4,000 down, $200 a month.
You want to get the car for me?
Huh?
You want to put the down payment?
You might even get a discount
Yes,
because you're a
finally,
teacher.
a different one. We got this one. We gotta go back to the store then. Got this one. We'll open it later. How sad. We could have gotten more boxes. We got it all from different places too, like different spots. That's boring. That's annoying. My little hair. So I forgot to end the video, but that was an eventful week Even though I did not record a lot, I did a lot, and I felt like I did a lot. I'm glad I took my walks during the nice weather, because today it is literally raining, but it is nice outside. So, well, it's drizzling, it's not raining. But yeah, I am back home. It is Saturday. I came home Friday night, and it's Saturday. We just went out for breakfast and everything. Baby's just looking at me, right? Right? He's smiling. But look at my outfit, guys. I got this black sweater, a Aritzia sweatshirt. I mean, my sweater, Aritzia pants, and I got my new shoes. I forgot to show you guys. Got some New Balances. I don't know which one these are. I'll put it on the screen which ones they are. Like, I literally tried every New Balance. Like, every time I went to the mall, I would go to Foot Locker and try New Balances because I really wanted New Balances, and none of them looked right. And finally these looked right, and I was like, yes, I'm going to get it. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and stick around to the end. Comment down below a sneaker emoji. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.